Hey there, welcome to Fishing and Adventure Tales by Alec. Today we're going to be unboxing and talking about the Ridge wallet. These are really awesome. I've been looking for a durable, really tough outdoor wallet for quite a while. Originally this was going to be a field test video, but currently we are under a hurricane watch here in South Florida, and so I'm here in my house hunkering down. But I do want to talk about this wallet. I've been really, for the last few years, looking at and experimenting with different rugged wallets. The latest one that I've been using, which is a great wallet, by the way. I really do like it. It's a little too big. It's a little too bulky. It's American made. It's by Filson. Amazing leather. It's waterproof. Just doesn't do the job in my hiking pants and my fishing pants and stuff. So I've taken this on a few trips in videos. I've taken this to Alaska. I've taken that to the Amazon in Brazil. I've taken it all over. Great wallet, but it doesn't feel right. So I'm really excited about this Ridge wallet. So I've already played with it a little bit, but so we're going to kind of do a little unboxing here. So it comes with a little literature here, and basically it's how to get started with the wallet. And it says just take all your old junk out of your wallet, toss it, and put only what you need in the Ridge wallet. So that's pretty much what it says. So before we go further, I do have a discount code for this bad boy. I'll give you a generous 10% discount. It's called YouTube 10. Will be in the description, will be on the Chiron on the video. But let's get right back into this, okay? How are we going to check out this wallet? So first, it is really tough aluminum, much smaller than my field wallet, okay? Has a money clip. Okay, we're going to show how to use that with a couple of different stacks of bills. I am of the generation that does like to carry cash, sometimes large amounts of cash, and this does work. And you can see here really up close, it does have the Torx screws. And in the box, there is a Torx screwdriver so that you can adjust and tighten. It also comes with a little plastic bag with extra screws, which are really important because I have lost screws on a Gerber knife that I had to go and then order the new screws. So I'm really glad that Ridge thought about that. Hopefully I won't have an issue with the screws coming loose on this bad boy. So let's do this. First, we're going to take the promotional card out. So you just kind of open up the wallet, kind of like really like so. Take out the little promotional Ridge card. You can keep that in there if you want. And now we're going to add my cards. So here we have a stack of my cards, starting with my American Express card, which just drop these bad boys right in the Ridge wallet. Now I'm ready to go. I have my ID in here, my Amex, my bank card, and one other credit card. How do you access them, you say? Well, that's quite easy. Just over here, push the cards out, and you can see how they come out. And then it's pretty easy to fan the cards and to pick the one that you want. And obviously, I've ordered these in the most convenient way for me. Amex, I have my MasterCard, or a Visa card rather, next my bank card, and then lastly my Florida driver's license. So all of these are pretty easy to access, okay? It's a lot less cumbersome than my traditional standard Filson wallet. You can definitely see the size difference. We do have a cash clip here on this side of the Ridge, and now we're going to show how to use that with two different wads of cash. Here, just a small 3-bill thing, a 20, a 10, and a 1, and it's quite easy. Just fold the cash and just slip it right in here, and you can see it has a very nice profile, and from this side you can't even see that you have the cash. So it's a very thin profile. Again, comparing it to my outdoor wallet. Okay, so we have this. Now let's say you want to carry more cash. So I do have right here a wad of hundreds. Okay, you fan this out, and we got 10 of these bad boys. Fold it over. You could slip it in this way because it is a thick wad. But if you don't like the fact that the cash is sticking out over the sides, okay, and again, this is 10 bills, you can fold it again and then just slip it right back into here. And when you slip it right back into there, and you can see it holding 10 bills double folded over, okay, and with a very thin profile that will fit in the front pocket or back pocket of your pants, or even if you have cargo shorts, you can fit that in the cargo pocket. Very, very compact compared to a traditional outdoor wallet. This is one rugged wallet. I'm really excited to go and test it. The good folks at Rigid Wallet have provided me with a code called YouTube 10. Quite an original code for a 10% discount if you buy through this video. Links will be in the description, and I'm really excited. This is a really awesome wallet. Like I said, I've been looking and trying different wallets for years, something that can keep up with my lifestyle of outdoors, fishing, hiking, four-wheel driving, just all kinds of fun, adventurous stuff. And I found finally the wallet that fits the bill, literally and figuratively. All right, thank you very much. Any comments, leave them in the video. Again, that code is YouTube 10. Thanks.